You're here today because you want to start investing in real estate, or you've seen any other investment opportunity that you want to start getting into. You're ready to go, but you want to understand what are the things you can do to help you to be successful with your investment. Today, I'm going to be sharing 4 things with you that I believe will increase your chances of being successful with your real estate investment. Are you ready for it? Let's get into it. Before we start getting into these 4 things, I will please ask you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, so that in that way when I release videos like this that can help you with your real estate investment, you will be one of the first people to know. The first thing I would like to mention is patience. When you invest in real estate, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to be ready for the long-term goal. And I've seen a lot of people saying this, that they're going to be patient with their investment when they get their property. At the end of the day, when they get the property and the pain of investment started kicking in, you see them started flipping. In most cases, for example, they buy a property with the intention of renovating this property and rent it out to start earning passive income. By the time they close this property, the cost of the item they want to use for renovation have increased, or even the labor costs have increased. You see a lot of people started selling, flipping their property. This is the exact time that patience will really be helpful. If you hold on to your property, go on with the renovation, and then your intention of renting out, go on with that intention, rent it out, there's a higher chance that you're going to make back the money from renting. The second thing I would like to mention is tenacity. Gary Vee, in his book 12 and a half, defined tenacity as a quality or fact of being determined. You have to be intentional about your determination when it comes to real estate. You have to, and how can you do this? How can you be confident with your real estate investment? How can you improve your determination? You can do this by equipping yourself with a lot of quality education. It could be podcasts, it could be, investment trainings, either paid or free, or it could be YouTube videos like the one you're watching now. When you equip yourself with a lot of with quality education about real estate investment, there's a higher chance you will be confident about your investment. There's a higher chance you're not going to quickly run to sell your property when things started, going down. The third one I will mention is accountability. And I added it to the list because many people of this generation, it's easier for them to start pointing fingers or blaming people when things started going wrong with your personal life, with your career, or even with your investment. They start blaming friends that told them about the opportunity, or even the real estate agent that brought the deal to them. The thing is, when we start blaming people, pointing fingers, we become blind to the possibility of turning a challenging situation to a better one. A property that you bought that you think is a bad deal might just need a little bit of renovation or help or advice from an expert to make it a better one. When you start becoming accountable with your investment decision, you will begin to have a different mindset about your investment. The last one I'm going to mention is funds. I know you must have seen a lot of ads saying you can start your real estate journey without funds. I'm not saying you're lying. This video is not to discourage you from going ahead with your real estate goal or journey without having money. But the thing they fail to tell you is, do you have enough network? Do you have the people that can trust you with their money for you to help them to invest? If you don't have that kind of people in your network, I would advise you might need to start networking with people that you believe they probably will trust you with their money. Or you can start, joining a lot of real estate group that could, by the time you build your network and you build your trust, and then they will trust you with that money and say you invest in real estate. But the main truth is, you're going to need funds to invest in real estate. So those are the 4 things I want to explain to you today that could improve your chances of being successful when it comes to real estate. If you want to learn how to invest in pre-construction properties in Ontario, you want to understand what are the things you should watch out for, check out this video here. I made this video to be able to help you when it comes to pre-construction properties in the GTA. If you enjoyed this video, if you get value from this video, kindly like the video, put your comment in the comment section, or please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos like this that will help you with your real estate journey. And have a wonderful day.